Hi there, it's Pascal here. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you how my wife inspired me to take some actions today. If you don't know me, this is the first time that you're coming across my channel. I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell button because I share my journey in online business as the day goes by. Most people who sign up for training and courses online say they don't work. They come up and just like most people, I try to increase my income. So I signed up for a training, and I started seeing some results. In fact, I've seen some massive results, not really some, and I'm training people to produce the same. I can gladly tell you, I'll be helping people start making money online on a consistent basis. So what I do is basically I share my journey. So if you're watching this, you're probably one of the lucky people to stumble on this information. What I share is my strategy, what I do on a daily basis. So this morning, basically, let's say this month, I said I'm gonna grow my YouTube channel. So if you to share my journey over the course of, let's say, the month, and the only thing I need to do to share that to basically post videos on my YouTube channel is to record videos and every day one after the other. And it came from a basic principle that I got from books that I've been reading now, which I help other people see the same. It's just very simple. Do something, one or two things every day towards a particular goal. It may be to quit your job, it may be to get into fitness, it may be to increase your level mark in school. But you got to take action, one action every single day at no fail on a consistent basis over a 30-day period. That would help you change your paradigm. So this morning, like I was saying, I was so tired to get out of bed. I normally walk out 30 minutes in the morning. So I was struggling to get out of bed, but my wife hit me and said, let's go, it's time for us to go. So but it wasn't always like this. When I started my online business, it was more of, we weren't even talking, we lived in the same house, and we were raising our children. In fact, we were literally on the verge of separating because it's easy to say now she woke me up. You may be thinking, you guys got a great relationship. It came from me understanding that the job I was doing before was taking me away from my family. I wasn't spending time with them. I wasn't literally, so that caused that friction. And it came from my communication skills as well. Because when I come back from work, in fact, when I go to work, the communication from my boss to everybody is like more produce more, work. So they make you very tired. By the time you get home, you're literally stressed. Then you have your children running up to you to say hello daddy, and next thing you tell them, push them away, I need to rest. So that was my behavior. Then my wife would come to me, and sometimes she would ask me simple questions like, what would you eat, or simple things, just to show that she cares. And I'll be very, very negative towards her, and this was causing our relationship to break up gradually. Because if you're in a relationship now, you will totally understand that your relationship started out rosy, but over a period of time you will start seeing a very small crack, and which, if you allow it to keep going on, it will eventually lead you to separation. So I was very lucky to get myself back on track by making a firm decision that I was going to change the way I earn money. That's what led me to online business. So I was committed to change myself and my income. That's why I started online business. So it doesn't stop there. It doesn't mean that if you have an online business, your life is sorted. If you have, you still have to continue it on. You have to form it as a habit. So my next challenge now is to lose my weight. I can see myself on the camera now. I can see the result. I don't like to celebrate this. I like to celebrate it, but I don't like to show it off, because I know there's change happening, but I just want to keep my mind cool, and to keep working out the routine until I get myself to where I want to be. So what I want to share with you is I would have missed my morning routine today if not for my wife. So I just want you guys out there to understand that you can't every day you're not going to be operating at 1000 reps per minute. There are days that you're going to get off. You will need people to encourage you to come back up. Now if you have people who are literally negative all around you, who don't support you, if you miss one day, it's easy for you to miss the second day. Let's take for example, if you don't start your week right, if you don't prepare your week and you start your week with a bang, you say you miss your exercise routine on Monday, you find it easier to miss it on Tuesday, obviously Wednesday, and the next thing, the whole week you just say, all right, I'll start it again next week. That's how procrastination starts. So I was very lucky this morning for my wife to literally wake me up. So I encourage you guys to build up the people, build up your family, build up your children, build up everybody around you to help you to literally improve on whatever goals that you have, and you will eventually in return help them as well, because it's a win-win situation. It's a win for you, it's a win for your spouse, it's a win for your children. And I encourage you, and God bless you. You have what it takes to do it. All you just have to do is monitor what's going on in your head and flip it around in a way it will serve you and your children. Wish you and your family all the best. Take care. Bye bye.